Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of household essentials. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize the way you tackle stains in your laundry routine. It's the Vanish Pink Liquid Color Multi-Purpose Stain Remover. This powerful stain remover boasts an impressive array of features, including its ability to tackle tough stains like red wine, coffee, grass, makeup, and oil. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about its formulation. The Vanish Pink Liquid Color Stain Remover is chlorine bleach-free, making it safe to use on colored clothing without the risk of fading or damage. Applying the Vanish Stain Remover is a breeze. Simply pour a teaspoon onto the stain, wait for 5 minutes, and then wash as normal. It's that simple. Plus, it's gentle on fabrics, ensuring your clothes come out looking fresh and clean every time. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about its effectiveness in removing stubborn stains without any fading or bleeding of colors. Whether it's bright Tommy Hilfiger shirts or delicate fabrics, the Vanish Stain Remover gets the job done. And let's not forget its versatility. Whether you're dealing with a single stain or multiple spots on your clothing, Vanish is your go-to solution. It can be used as a pre-treatment to target specific stains or as a boost to your regular laundry detergent. Now, you might be wondering how the Vanish Pink Liquid Color Stain Remover stacks up against other products on the market. Well, let me tell you, it holds its own. With its powerful formula and gentle touch, it's a clear winner in the fight against stains. So there you have it, folks. The Vanish Pink Liquid Color Multi-Purpose Stain Remover is a game-changer for anyone tired of battling stubborn stains in their laundry. With its chlorine bleach-free formula, gentle on fabrics, and versatile application, it's a must-have in every household. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts on the Vanish Stain Remover. And as always, stay tuned for more reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Until next time, happy cleaning!